Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw JIREN from Dragon Ball Super. If you guys are interested in Dragon Ball Super, then smash that like button, and I'm sure you'll like Toonami. And it's only available on Toonami. If you must know, JIREN is one of the Pride Troopers in the 11th universe. And well, when he was young, his family was murdered. But we don't know who the villain was, who killed him. But he dedicated his entire life to earning the title of the strongest warrior. And since he has no trust for others, his power is strong. The first time he used his power was against Kale. And the second time was against Majikayo from the 3rd universe. And his ultimate power was against Goku in his autonomous Ultra Instinct form. Something inside JIREN snapped, which allowed him to transform into his muscular ripped half. His shirt was all torn, and he was red. Red aura, I think. Anyways, to draw him, you must start with the eye. And next up, you draw the head. Okay, here's his head. There's his head. Okay, there's his head. Okay, next up is his body. See, JIREN, he first made his reappearance in Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission. And, well, basically, that's about it. Okay, next up are his arms. There we go. Alexa, play it again. There we go. Okay. except for his gloves. One more piece has other hand. And done. That is how you draw Jiren. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Doesn't he look awesome? Well, he doesn't look like much what he looks like in the photo, but I like him just the way he is. After all, you can never judge a book by its cover, am I right, folks? Can you hear me? Anyways, that's how you draw Jiren. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys next time.